Welcome to our demonstration of Webvis CMS. I'm going to log in by typing /login after the URL. This takes you to the page where you enter your username and password. The other option is to enter the URL, move the cursor away from it, hit escape, and now I can enter my username and password. First, let's look at the toolbar at the top. This has your site functions, and if you ever need to return home, click Content. The page bar manages your page settings. Hover over the icons to see what they do. I'm going to add a page now and title it Webvis CMS Demo. And I'm going to hide the page so that no one sees it while we're working on it. Add the page. Now, if I hit preview, you'll see what it looks like for users. And I return to edit mode to make changes. All of these add buttons are where you can add elements. So let's add some text. Anything I type will automatically be formatted by the CMS to fit perfectly and be uniform. Any text I paste, however, needs the format removed. So I'm going to go back in and I'm going to go to this Google Doc and remove the formatting here. There's a similar option in Gmail and Word documents. Copy this text and paste it in here. And there it is. Now the text element is just like most word processing programs, so it should be very familiar. I'm going to show you how to create headings. Avoid heading 1 because it is your page title. Use heading 2, 3, and 4 to break up your text. And you'll find them under the paragraph formats. If you're not sure about your text, highlight it and check it under the paragraph format. And here are what your headings look like. Now let's add an image. The CMS will size the image the best it can, but be sure you use images that are 72 pixels. And just open the image. And now I'm going to create a gallery. Simply go to Edit and choose some new images. I'm finished. Now I can change the settings and pick another display. It's cropped thumbnails. I'm going to use thumbnails mosaic. Now, both of these options will automatically crop a picture to match the rest of them. If you're going to choose another style, you need to crop the images yourself to be the same size. Now let's add a calendar. I'm going to start by adding an event. I'll need the name and the date, the start time, and the end time. There's also an all-day event option. And let's get a description here to hopefully make people come. Let's see. No, that should work. And then we add the event. And you can see the event here in a list view. Now, if you can change the event by going into Manage Events and editing it, you can also go to your settings and change the style. I'm going to make a calendar. So change that, update it, and here is our event in a calendar style. And yes, hopefully that's effective. Now let's move on to blogs. Blogs are great for your SEO. So let's add a blog element and a new post. First thing I do is post date it so that it will not go live immediately. Add a blog title, and this is exactly like using your text element that we worked on earlier. Under the Advanced tab, you can choose your author. It automatically puts the author that's logged in. So, team. You can also lock your pingbacks, which should reduce the amount of spam you get. And save. And you can see the blog is not showing because it's post dated. I go to Manage Posts and hit Edit to make changes. I'm going to add some lorem ipsum like we did earlier. And now I'm going to add a picture. Here's the image manager. And this is a good way to keep your images organized, but I'm going to add something new for this new blog post. I'm going to click to add. I'm going to choose this cardinal over here. There it is. If you're looking for a specific picture that you've added, type the name in the search. We'll show the image and hit insert. And here's my cardinal. Now tags will help you with your SEO and organizing your blog material. You should focus your tags on whatever keywords are important to you. We're going to save and click the link to see how it would look live. It's coming together. I'm going to go edit again. And I'm going to show you how to use a feature image and thumbnail. The size is going to depend on your design. I'm just going to drop some in here so you can see how it works. And open that. And here's the thumbnail. And save. And here's what it looks like with a featured image. Now I forgot how to get back to my demo page, so I have a solution. I'm going to go over to Site, right here, in Pages, and there's my demo page. Hit View Page. And you can create multiple blogs at the same time, so let's go ahead and add a new post. Post date it, and hit save. Now I can go back to Manage Posts. There we are. Now I just simply choose which blog I am ready to work on. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of Webvis CMS. Please contact us at info@myheartcreative.com if you have any questions.